Hello, this is Kana with POS Guys, and today we're going to set up your Zebra ZD410. So first things first, we're going to go over loading the media onto this. So you're going to take the yellow latches to open the lid. Then you're going to move the media roll holders off to the side and place your labels so that it is nice and secure. You want to make sure that the sensor is in place, aligned with the middle. Make sure it's underneath these two latches so that it is properly aligned. And you're going to roll your media forward. Then you're going to close the lid and make sure you hear that little click. And to calibrate your printer, you just want to hold down the pause and the X button. Hold it down for a few seconds. And your printer should be calibrated.